Hi Steve, my name is Arielle. I'm a current fourth year in college studying economics and linguistics. My dad is actually a lawyer, and I always grew up saying like, oh, I'm never gonna go to law school. I'm never gonna do that. I just kind of saw it as this like always going to court and fighting people, and I don't really think of myself as confrontational or argumentative. But after I started studying linguistics, my perspective on just what the law is and like what it means to study and practice the law really shifted. So I guess it was when I started learning about these concepts, these things called performatives or speech acts, which are like language, like statements that by virtue of being said or written actually change the world in some way. Like they have an effect. Like when you say like I do and you're at the altar, like you haven't just said that, like after that you are married, like your status has changed. Or like when you say like I promise, you haven't just said some words, like a promise has been made. Like there is something different before and after you say that. That's not just communication. And so that concept just like really captivated me, and I started thinking like, what is the law if not a version of that, taken to the extreme and codified and like implemented everywhere. And I just got really interested in what it would mean to study the law and get into the interpretations of these like words, these powerful words, and like the repercussions they have. And in law school, I think is where I can just immerse myself in that world and figure out what kind of law I want to practice too, because that's obviously something that I'm, very curious about, all the different branches and like how they all function and what the different, statutes and precedents and like how that all kind of interacts and has an effect, a very real effect on me, on you, on anyone who has, living in a society with law. So that's why I want to go to law school. I want to get more into this concept that's really just kind of captivated my imagination since I first learned about it.